Yeah, I'm Mrs. Antoinette Dias. I'm from Bombay, Vikhroli, and I was having a great longing to come here. But we don't have a house here in Goa. Being a Goan, I don't have a house. So I met my friend on the way somewhere in Bombay, and suddenly I happened to tell her, "Are any place in Goa where we could go? Even my children are longing." And then suddenly she said, "I'll give you the house keys." I said, "No, let me come and see first." And so she said, "Okay, I'm going to Goa. You come with me." And I came along with her. So St. Francis has fulfilled my wish. I had a great longing and I got it. I've been praying for a long time for this particular thing. And every day we come for Mass from Sunday. First day was Sunday when we arrived. We came for the Mass. We went for veneration. More than 1 hour we had to stand in the queue. But we can pray and go, especially. And for that, especially we come for that only, praying to St. Francis or whatever we have. Our wishes and all are fulfilled. It's like that. And I'm very happy I'm coming daily here. This is the third Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, fourth day we have come. Tomorrow we'll come, day after we are leaving. Yeah, it's a nice experience.